Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what's in my fall FabFitFun box. I am so excited to be partnering up with FabFitFun for this video. Thank you so much FabFitFun for reaching out to me. I am so excited to be sharing this package with you guys. If you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, they are these seasonal subscription boxes and they come in really cute packages like this. And this is the fall one. They are $49.99. You can use my discount code to get $10 off your first box, which is awesome because there is over $200 worth of products inside. And I'm going to share with you guys everything in my fall box because it's totally customizable to you, which is so awesome. You can add different products and new products on the website when you sign up, which is super cool. I will have it listed down below in case you guys want to check it out, but let's just get right into it. So the box is this super cute design. I love the colors and the hearts. I feel like this is perfect for fall. It's just so cute and so happy. And then you just open it up and there's so many goodies in here, you guys. And the inside of the box is really pretty with this little heart design. I just love hearts, you guys. They're so happy. So the first thing in here is their FabFitFun catalog. It has Megan Trainor on it, which is so fun. I love the little pop of yellow. But basically this just goes in depth of all the products inside of it. It has your horoscope in here. Let's see what my Virgo one says. You're a perfectionist to your core, so put your determination to the test and learn the art of calligraphy. It's a practical skill, your favorite kind, so you'll be able to use it for projects, events, and whatever some letter needs a little sprucing up. You know, I don't know how to do calligraphy, so that would be fun. Okay. But yeah, there's like little recipes and stuff in here, which is awesome. But yeah, cute little magazine in here. Then it also comes with a code for your next fall FitFun box. In case you guys are interested, you get like a little discount code. Also in the box is a $80 HelloFresh gift card, which is so cool. I haven't tried this out. I would love to know if you guys have tried HelloFresh. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm definitely like low-key kind of interested to check it out, but at the same time I don't cook, so who knows. I'll probably end up giving this to one of my cousins, which again, one of the awesome things about FabFitFun is you get to try so many new products and they're all full size. I recently started getting into makeup and like beauty products, but I still am kind of like, I don't know what to buy because I've only used this for so long, where this is super cool because you get products sent to you. Because in the summer box they sent me a body wash and I would have never thought to buy like a body wash, but I love it and I use it every single day. It smells so good, so you guys should definitely check out that video if you haven't already. I will insert a card. But the first thing in here is this navy scarf. It looks like it's gonna be like a buffalo plaid, and you guys, it is so soft, but I love the little detailing on the bottom. And this is so cute. This is a plush, stay warm and stylish, ultra soft plaid scarf. I can't wait to start breaking out the scarves for fall. The next thing in here is this super cute black and white wallet. It is kind of like a plastic vinyl material, and it is cut from the cloth, and it is so cute, you guys. So it has some card spots, kind of like a checkbook holder, or you could put like cash in there, I guess. And I just feel like this would be so cute for night outs or just like kind of as a little clutch. And I feel like wallets are just so helpful. I love switching them up, and this will be so fun for switching it up for the fall. The next fashion thing in here are these beautiful earrings. I've been wanting to try a pair of bauble bar earrings. Look how shiny these are. You guys know I love anything sparkly and shiny. And they're just kind of like a hoop dangly earring because that's what the back looks like. I think dangly earrings are so perfect for fall with the scarves and everything. It's fun to wear your hair up and then just like a big statement earring, and these are seriously so pretty. The next thing in here I'm the most excited about. This is the Avita Damage Ready Daily Hair Repair. I really love Avita's hair products. I feel like they're just like a good hair salon, and I honestly have been using so much heat in my hair since I've been doing the daily videos, which if you guys haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can get notified when I upload my next video. But I have been using so much heat on my hair because I've been styling it every day to film new videos, so I just feel like I kind of need like to take care of it, especially since it's getting so long. It's already like easily damaged, so I'm super excited to try this out. I've heard wonderful things about this. Basically you just shake it up and it's just like a liquidy consistency, and it smells really good, but you kind of leave it in your hair as a leave-in conditioner, and I'm all about this. It makes your hair super soft as well. Another product in here is this Human and Kind skincare with a conscience, and this is a body scrub. I'm pretty sure, I'm not 100% sure. The packaging is absolutely beautiful with all of these designs on it. I love the orange and green and blue coloring. It is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and super soft to the touch. I'm am all about this. Especially I feel like with fall comes dry skin, so having a nice body scrub and moisturizer is so important. And another fun body scrub are these exfoliating sugar cubes. And you guys, I've always wanted to try an exfoliator just because I do use self-tanner, and these are so cute. I love the packaging. They're just these little green cubes, and you take them into the shower and you just kind of like exfoliate your skin, which again is really good if you do use self-tanner because it just scrubs it off and then it leaves your skin exfoliated so you can apply more self-tanner. And the next thing in here is this roller ball. It is from Aromatherapy and it is a deep lax roll-on. And I've heard wonderful things about Aromatherapy. I am so excited to try it out. The packaging is just absolutely gorgeous, but this is just what it looks like. It looks like a little perfume roll-on, and it is just their deep relax. Let's smell it. Oh, it smells really good. I'm definitely going to be using this. And the last thing in my box are these mini eye essentials, and it is a brow pen and 2 shadow crayons and an eye pencil. And again, I just love the packaging because it has the colors on the top part, which I just think is such a cute way to display it on the packaging. Very simple. You open it up like this, and there are the crayons for your eyes. And there's also a little demonstration on the back, which is so helpful in case you're a makeup newbie like I am. I'm super excited to try these out. I haven't really been playing around with a lot of eye looks lately just because it's summertime and I've been wearing a lot less makeup, but again, I will definitely be trying this out come fall. So that is everything that was in my fall FabFitFun box. I would love to know which product you would love to try out, so let me know in the comments down below. Again, I will have everything listed down below in the description box in case you guys want to check out FabFitFun. It's just an awesome way to try out new products. You get $200 worth for only $49.99, and I do have a discount code if you get $10 off, which is such a steal. So definitely something to check out. It does come 4 times a year, so you can pick which season you want to try out if you're thinking about it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with my next video. Bye guys!